वेलकम बैक टू सीनू की पाठशाला। चैनल पर पहली बार आए हैं, लाइक करें, शेयर करें, सब्सक्राइब करें। So kids, let's start. Pink color. A for aeroplane. A for ant. Green color. B for ball. B for bat. Dark green color. C for cat. C for cup. Sky blue color. D for dog. D for duck. Yellow color. E for elephant. E for egg. Orange color. F for fish. F for fan. Brown color. G for girl. G for goat. Red color. H for hen. H for hen. Pink color. H for hen. H for horse. Pink color. I for ink pot. I for ice cream. Orange color. J for jug. J for joker. Dark green color. K for king. K for kite. Yellow color. L for lamp. L for lion. Blue color. M for monkey. M for money. Blue color. Sky blue color. N for nose. N for nest. Red color. O for owl. O for orange. Orange color. P for parrot. P for peacock. Brown color. Q for queen. Q for kite. Yellow color. R for rose. R for rat. Pink color. S for sun. S for ship. Blue color. T for tiger. T for toy. Red color. U for umbrella. Yellow color. V for van. V for violin. Brown color. W for watch. Orange color. X for Xmas tree. X for X-ray. Pink color. Y for yak. Light green color. Z for zebra.